Hi, welcome to 40 Days of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. These Tetra Paks are a very common sight these days, and this Tetra Pak says the milk can be stored for 180 degrees without refrigeration if left unopened. How? How can milk be stored for 180 days? That's a big feat. And behind this feat is Pasteur again. During Pasteur's time, the wine and beer industries were taking a huge hit because during production and transportation, the wine and beer were getting contaminated and they were getting fermented and they turned sour and the business almost collapsed. So they came to Pasteur to ask him for help. Pasteur identified that this wine was contaminated with microorganisms and he devised a very simple plan to help the industry. He just heated the wine to 57 degrees centigrade for a few seconds. And this heating made sure that the organisms that are spoiling the wine are killed, but the taste is left unaltered. Now, this heating for a short span of time to kill the microorganisms without altering the taste and for preserving the wine and beer for a longer time is called pasteurization. The same technique applies to milk. And that's how we have lots of Tetra Paks of packaged milk. How they do this pasteurization is at 63 degrees for 30 minutes. If you heat milk, it is safe. Otherwise, 72 degrees for 15 seconds or higher the temperature, lesser the time. And for ultra high temperature packaging, what you have to do is you just have to heat the milk for 138 to 150 degrees centigrade for just 1 or 2 seconds and then package it in sterile, properly sealed packages. And then, without refrigeration, you can store your milk for 180 days, which is a feat in itself. And all thanks to Louis Pasteur. Thank you.